In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all completed tasks in ClickUp. Being able to quickly see everything that's already been completed is really helpful for progress tracking, reporting, or just reassuring yourself that work is actually getting done. ClickUp makes this pretty straightforward, but the option can be easy to miss if you don't know where to look. So let's walk through it together, step by step. First, make sure you're in the correct view inside your ClickUp workspace. This can be a list view, a board view, or a calendar view. No matter which of these you're using, you'll want to look towards the upper right corner of the screen. This is where ClickUp keeps most of its view options and filters. In that upper right area, look for a button labeled either Closed or Show Closed. The exact label may vary slightly depending on your layout or ClickUp updates, but it will usually include the word Closed. This is the control that lets you show or hide your completed tasks. Once you've located that button, go ahead and click it. When the button is highlighted or appears active, ClickUp will display your completed or closed tasks in the current view. You'll usually notice that these completed tasks are visually separated from your active tasks. They might appear in a different section, be grouped at the bottom, or shown in a slightly dimmed or crossed out style, depending on your specific view and settings. This separation makes it easy to scan what's done versus what still needs attention. Now, if you also work with subtasks, there's one more useful option you should know about. Next to the Closed button, or directly on it, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click that drop-down arrow to reveal additional options. From there, choose the setting that allows you to include closed subtasks. After enabling this, not only will your main closed tasks appear, but any subtasks that are completed will show up as well. This is especially helpful for projects that are broken down into many smaller action items. And finally, if your screen starts to feel cluttered or you only want to focus on what's still open, you can hide those completed tasks again. To do that, just click the Closed or Show Closed button one more time, or click the little X that appears on the active filter. Once it's turned off, your view will return to showing only active tasks. That's all there is to it. By using this simple toggle, you can quickly switch between a clean, focused view of current work and a full history of everything that's been completed.